Hey, get fucked!
Welcome, dear convicts. This is Killbox, a place where we make your dreams become nightmares. I hope you don't die too early and spoil our family telly time. Rules are simple. You have 15 minutes to acquire as much goodies as you can. One wrong step, though, and you better start running. It's a kill box, not a gift box. And you just officially blew it. Your mother would be ashamed by your pathetic performance. The Kill Box is brought to you by the Tech One Corporation. They say the more the merrier. So let's make it a party. "30 seconds left." And that would be all. The only thing left here is a swift and painless death provided by our lasers. I highly recommend it. 10 seconds mark. 5, 4, 3,